Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a decorate with me for Easter home decor. I, of course, love all holidays and I'm super excited to decorate for Easter. I did film a shop with me haul where I shared a lot of new Easter home decor stuff. I'll link it here or down below. And I wanted to share a couple of things that I purchased since that video because during that video I was thinking of doing a new tablescape. So let me show you. It's just like a handful of things, and when we're decorating the tablescape you'll kind of see why I purchased this. I do have plates that I purchased years ago from Target. They're super cute and I kind of want to get new ones sometimes, but I'm just going to use what I have. So I did buy some runners, or what are these called? Not runners, chargers. I have this baby pink one, and I had bought some last time but I didn't buy enough. And then I bought this like kind of like a light green color. I actually don't love this color. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm hoping that it does because these are only $2. And the ones that I saw that were perfect were like $15, and I said, no way. Oh, by the way, those chargers are from Hobby Lobby. So if you ever need chargers really inexpensive, go to Hobby Lobby. They're like $2. And then I bought these little baby bunnies for the table. I was actually at like Williams-Sonoma. Okay, this is my inspiration. And if I can find the picture on my phone, I'll insert it for you. But it's kind of like my inspiration for how I wanted to decorate my table, but I don't know. We'll see if it turns out. But I got these little bunnies. I'm scared to drop them. I got pink, white, and blue, and they're all pretty much like the same shiny material, but they're just different colors. And I think they were, all the Easter home decor was 40% off at Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so they were $5 plus 40% off. I just think they're like really cute and they fit perfect with like the theme that I'm going for. The next couple of things are from Michael's, and again I was thinking of my like inspiration photo, and I got like a few things there. So I really wanted a garland. All right, so I wanted a garland. I kind of want the one that I'm going to put in my mantle, but I think it'd be too much of the same thing. I don't know. So I'm thinking of using this garland that I got at Michael's, and it's all tangled. It's been sitting in my garage for like a week now. But yeah, this is it. So if you can see up close, I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Okay, there it is. The camera is picking it up now, but it's basically the shiny matching color to those little bunnies that I showed you. So like pearl white, green, pink, and blue. And then I got the matching like little eggs at Michael's too. I got a couple of bags of them for the table. So I feel like this like whole vibe is like adorable, I'm hoping. I don't know. Okay, so that's where I'm going with the tablescape this year. The last thing I got was this glass jar at Michael's, and I used 50% off coupon for sure. So I think it was like $5. And I was thinking of putting the eggs in there. I don't know. We'll see when I get to the table, but that's what I was thinking the day that I bought it. And then I bought a table runner. So I have a really dark table, and I looked everywhere for a table run actually, and I couldn't find one. So I ended up with this little white situation from, I don't know where this is from. It might be Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. I think it's Hobby Lobby. But this is what it looks like. So seeing the picture, it's kind of like a dark table. So I was thinking it would work, but I'm not sure. So we'll see when we get there, but let's go ahead and get started decorating the entire house. I'm super excited to have just like bunnies everywhere. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you one more thing. I was getting up and then I saw this. So I got this mat. Look how cute it is. I have one for almost every holiday now. I've been collecting them over the years. So I have one for like 4th of July and Halloween, etc. And I needed a spring, well, I guess Easter, this wouldn't be spring, but it just says every bunny welcome. And I got this at Kirkland's for like $10. I thought it was just So cute. Okay, now let's get started. I have everything laid out pretty much for the table decor right here. And then these are my plates, the green, and then I have it in pink. So I'm hoping that works out. We'll see. And I laid out my mat and my wreath. That's gonna go outdoors, obviously. I feel like this is so pretty that I don't even want to put it outside because I enter the house through the garage and I won't get to see it. But I guess our delivery people will be able to enjoy it. And then this is my Easter bin from last year, or the last few years, and I did go a little crazy getting more decor this year, as if you watch my videos, I love reading your comments. One comment was like, goes out for a couple of things and then brings a U-Haul home with all the decor. I mean, it literally cracked me up. So true. So I probably will need another bin, and I'm whispering so my husband won't hear me because I know he thinks I'm crazy already. I mean, but he knows what he married, so that's fine. All right, let's go ahead, pull everything out and start putting everything in a beautiful place. All right, the mantle's done pretty much. Same exact thing that I did last year, but I do have two pieces that I'm thinking of adding. I wish you guys were here to help me like decide, but I'll probably have to ask my husband. Okay, let me show you what's going on up here. Okay, if you saw in my haul, I got this gorgeous little garland situation. That's kind of like a metal, but I really like the way that they have it pictured. So I'm thinking maybe I would use it in my kitchen. I don't know. So I was thinking of putting it like hanging from the mantle, obviously. But look at this picture. Okay, so look at the picture. I think it looks cute in the kitchen too. So that's why I don't know if I want to use it in the kitchen or if I want to use it right here. Struggle one there. Struggle two. I could use this, which is also for my haul. And, but I was actually thinking of using this on my entryway table. So I don't know. I'm not sure, but yeah. I don't know. It might be too many bunnies. Is that possible? Too many bunnies? I think it's too many bunnies. I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. I could be here all night. Yeah, so let's get going. Okay, we're on to the dining room right now, and I'm struggling because I don't think I like that table runner that I got, the white one that I showed you right now. And the one that I used last year is kind of more like boho, and I think I'm doing more glamorous. I don't know. Let me show you. This is the one I used last year. It's from Anthropology. It's actually really nice, but I'm just not feeling it with what I want this year. And then this one I think is not good either. I don't know. I'm just gonna place everything out and see if I need to go out and look for something else or just not have a table runner. I'm sure. We are ready for the home tour. Let me show you where I got. It is the next day. I ended up having to go to dinner. I was so hungry, and then finished it when I got home. So we can see the gorgeous wreath is out here, and then the new little doormat that I got. We'll head inside and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, hi Sebastian. Here is the entryway table. I will be honest, I thought I had a lot of Easter decor and I really don't. Like, I'm kind of shocked. I added these flowers that were for my mantle from Valentine's Day, just pushed them over here so it looked a little spring. Kept to this no place like home sign, which I really wanted to put something like Happy Easter. And if you remember from my haul, I had like all those bunnies that said Happy Easter, but then it was like I had like 20 bunnies on one table and I just thought it looked like too much. So I just ended up putting this guy, old from I think like Michael's or something. Oh, Pier 1, sorry. From Pier 1. And then this little catch-all for keys. And then we'll head into the living room. Here in the living room, I have my little ottoman, and I'm not super happy with it. I just feel like it looks really plain. I might have to like watch my own video and see what I put last year, but I put this little arrangement. It's from Target. It's old, about 3 or 4 years now, and I don't like it anymore, or I actually don't like it for this room. I do like it, but I just don't like it for this room. Just a bunny from Target Dollar Spot and a little candle, my TV remotes. What I do want to put here is something that matches with the mantle stuff. So I may or may not go get something else. Probably not. Have a lot of other stuff going on. But next year I would definitely want a piece from the collection from Pier 1 to match that. So that's my goal. And then the mantle, I love the way it came out. I love this piece from Pier 1. It is like a showstopper to me. It's just so glamorous, so whimsical, so gorgeous, and I really love it. I did add that banner that says Happy Easter from Target, and normally I don't like to put banners unless I'm having a party, but I'm digging it. I'm into it. So yeah, this is how this area came out. The only thing I put over here on my shelves is this ginormous golden egg, and it's from Target. I've had it forever as well. But like I said, I thought I had more bunnies. I mean, more Easter decor. I really don't have that much, you guys. Okay, I might have more than the normal person, but not more than like a crazy person. I don't know, crazy about decor person. Okay, over here, I want to, it's so dark, sorry. Let's see if I can make it lighter. No, the lighting's bad. It's like really overcast today. Sorry about that. I do want to add Easter eggs in here, so I may or may not, it might happen this year, but add some Easter eggs in here, and then like a bunny, or I don't know, something else besides a bunny. I have like way too many bunnies. Let's go to the dining area, and I finally feel happy with this. It took a lot of back and forth. Okay, so I will say I did not like at all the green like charger that I had gone. It just was not the right color, so I'm taking it back, and I'm gonna, I don't know, I might not have one or just get all pink because I just think it didn't look good at all. And then here is like that table runner. I'm not super excited about it. I do like it. I couldn't find anything better, so for now this will have to do. And I love the way the cake stand looks. I have these still in containers because I do, and I will go back to Michael's to buy more of these. I was going to use another glass jar that I had purchased for this look, and then I just felt like it was too low and I needed like something elevated, and this worked out best. But I think I need like 3 more sets of these, and then I'll like cut them open and like let them hang out in there. I got my little pink bunny. So I think it looks really cute. I mean, I'm not even having Easter here. We go to my family's house, so I just like having the house decorated for Easter. And then over here, I have this little bunny that I purchased this year at like TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I don't know which one it was. I shared it in a haul. Those eggs that match that little
arrangement that's on my ottoman. And I put twinkle lights in here that turn on in the evening, and then just a little happy Easter egg right there. Please comment below and let me know what else you think that my house is missing or I need, or that could like add to my decor. I just feel like, I don't know. I think I just like go crazy every year and I expect more and more and more. All right, here on my very dirty stovetop, I put this little bunny to catch the spoons when we're cooking. We have not been cooking at all. Over here, I'm feeling like it looks a little crowded because of my Google and my bows, but I don't know. I usually put this right here, so spring, and then these like two little bunnies hanging out. I might move that stuff. I mean, I do use that stuff though, so I'm not sure, but you guys tell me. Help. All right, over here, I shared in last week's video my St. Patty's Day little coffee treat area, and I still really like it. It's not St. Patty's Day yet, so what I'm thinking is I am going to keep it up and have this as like my St. Patty's Day corner for, you know, in the next, I guess, maybe 10 days until St. Patty's Day comes along. And then I do have all the stuff ready for to change it out. So I have my little Easter sign, of course another bunny. I might use this, who knows. And then some Easter treats that I shared in my haul. And I'll just kind of like switch out the stuff really quickly and make it look Easter. Also, here are all my Easter mugs ready to, I got this from you recently. So yeah, I have 3 Easter mugs. This is my mug collection, you guys. It's very serious. I have like every holiday mug possible, I think. Almost. Okay. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me and kind of getting a glimpse of the tour. Like I mentioned, it's not completely done, but I do want to edit this video today. It's Sunday, and put it up for you guys. Please stay tuned. I have so many more videos planned. I just wish I had more time in the day to film and edit everything, but thanks for watching, and I'll touch you guys in the next video.